Are you looking for the best way to help a sales team member that is not getting results? Are you in a loop of firing and hiring your sales team with no real improvement? When members of your sales team are underperforming, you have two options. One, fire them and hire replacements, or two, coach them to be the salespeople you need them to be and that they are capable of being. Which option have you been taking? Hi, I'm Jennifer Baxavanis. I help sales teams and individuals with sales roles increase their closing rates. This is the third of 4 videos where I share my secrets from training many sales teams. The secrets in the specific video are not necessarily training techniques like in the other videos of this series, but how training and coaching can save jobs, save money, and headaches. I've included a testimonial of one of my clients, Raj, who described how sales training actually saved one of his sales team members' jobs. I've added the link in the description so you can check it out. In the previous video, we looked at how to create the best sales training program for prolonged success in any sales team. If you missed this video, I've also added the link in the description so you can check it out. Today, I will share why coaching is always better than hiring and firing for your sales team. I mean, at the end of the day, is any sales team or salesperson truly perfect? You will always have team members who do not meet the expectations of your business. The temptation to let these people go and seek better replacements is often strong, but is it really the best use of your time and resources? If performance is the issue and not a behavioral issue, then it is my firm belief that coaching should always be the preferred course of action. Why? Well, let's look at the realities of each path. Firing and hiring is costly, both financially and as a drain on your resources. Let's look at the process. First, you have to fire your employee. This can be a drawn-out process depending on the regulations of the country you're in and the contracts you may have. You may also be obliged to make severance pay or even find yourself in a costly legal battle. Secondly, you have to advertise the position, something which comes with a cost, and assess the applicants, the candidates, a process which is time-consuming. Third, you have to hope you can get the right quality of applicants. Otherwise, you need to repeat the second step over and over again until you do. Lastly, you need to go through contract negotiations and do all the administration that comes with bringing a new employee in, such as arranging visas, health insurance, relocation assistance, or any number of things. At this stage, you are still behind the point you were with the original team member that you already had in place, and the process is so far from over. Now you have to do full onboarding. Not just training, but orientation, getting the team member up to speed on how the company works and your brand guidelines, and integrating them into the team that you already have in place. Only then can you begin the lengthy process of coaching them to their first sale, something which can take typically up to several months. Remember that? Even if you had approached your original team member as if they were showing up to work for their very first day, this would be the stage that you begin at. Sales coaching, on the other hand, skips all but the last steps and saves the resources you need to dedicate to them. It also comes with other advantages that you may not have thought of. Advantage number 1, increased confidence in your decision making. I mean, at the end of the day, you or one of your colleagues hired the original employee. They went through the whole hiring process and you decided that they were the right person. Going back on that undermines your assessment and gives no reason to be confident you'll get it right the next time. Advantage 2, increased motivation and morale. A sales team who sees that you're dedicated to helping them and willing to put in the time to offer proper assistance and coaching will be much happier versus experiencing a culture of firing and replacing them. It can make them feel disposable and even a little bit undervalued. Advantage 3, increased loyalty. Loyalty works best when it goes both ways. A sales team who feels the company is loyal to them are more likely to be loyal to the company. If you show faith in them, they will want to repay the faith in results. Advantage 4, increased overall improvement. Coaching doesn't just improve the performance of the individual who is struggling, but it is beneficial for the whole team. As we talked about in the previous 2 videos, if you have a robust training system in place, you will reap the benefits throughout your business. Taking all of this into account, is it clear that firing an underperforming sales team member should always be the last result? Firing and hiring is costly, unpredictable, and a drain on confidence and morale. Coaching and upskilling your teams, however, can improve confidence, productivity, efficiency, and above all, success across the board. So the next time you consider taking drastic action to solve a problem of poor performance, think about whether you should first put your resources into sales coaching. What is your opinion now about firing versus coaching? I'd love to hear about it. Please do leave a comment or question below in the comment box. If you enjoyed this video, you can find more valuable information on how to make the most of your sales training opportunities over on my blog, along with many other tips, tricks, and thoughts on how to improve your sales. Have you checked out the other 2 videos in this series about sales training to increase success? They also contain a lot of information that is easy to watch and apply for your sales team. You can coach them yourself. In the 4th and final video, we'll be looking at what you need to know if you decide to hire an external sales coach or consultant. I'll be giving you a list of criteria. All the links that you need are in the description below. Thank you. I'm Jennifer Baxavanis. Stay strong and happy selling.